Hello everyone, welcome to Gardening for Better Health. My name is Henry B. 723 and I'm glad that you could join me for part 2 of my 3-part series that shows you how to grow your own mushrooms from a kit. Part 1 was done just a few days ago. 5 days ago is when I did the initial video for this, and that was on May 6th. Today is May 11th, and look at the progress that these mushrooms have made. They started out with just a block, and it was just a clean slate block with nothing growing on it. Right now it's at the stage where it has already pinned, where that's they show tiny little round dots for each mushroom that's about to grow, and it's evolved from that stage to growing the tiny little mushrooms. Some of them are not so tiny anymore. They've gone from pins to different sizes. Let me show you with these coins the different sizes that these mushrooms have evolved into. They started out as little pins smaller than this, and now some of them are about the size of a dime, as you can see here in comparison. Some of them are bigger than that dime size. We'll put a nickel here so that you can compare the different sizes. That's nickel size. Some of them are penny size. And with this penny, you can see some of them are about the size of a penny or a little bit larger. But already in just 5 days' time, some of them are as large as this quarter. And if you look here, this one is about the size of a quarter. So they grow at different rates, and they're still growing. There's more growth that's coming underneath here that's starting to grow. So it's made a lot of progress in just 5 days. Initially, I thought it was going to take about 2 weeks for these to be ready to harvest, but at this rate, it won't be 2 weeks. After 5 days, we have this great progress. We probably will be able to harvest this in another few days. So when it gets to the point where it's big enough to harvest, I'll do another updated video, which will be part 3. But I wanted to show you how much progress this made in only 5 days. These will be ready soon, and I'll be interested to see if these particular mushrooms will taste the way that I think they're going to taste. They have been touted as tasting like bacon and can be used as bacon replacement. So I'm excited to see when they're mature if they really can be used to replace bacon. So that's it for now. I just wanted to bring you this quick update. If you haven't already liked, shared, and subscribed, please do so that you will not miss when I put part 3 out, so you can see the final result of growing these mushrooms. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video.